Dito tayo, strategies and troubleshooting. How to troubleshoot a non-performing ad. Mahalaga to, kailangan matutunan nyo to, and what to do with it. What is wrong when you are getting a lot of clicks but not converting? So what's going in there? The problem with that is, if it's not converting, there's too much button to click sa inyong landing page. Content is not convincing. It's not clear. Hindi nyo masabi, hindi makita ng nagpunta ng landing page yung tao. Yung gusto niyang malaman, hindi niya naman mabasa doon, hindi niya makita. So it's not clear. Not giving enough value, benefits, and solution. Yan ang mga dahilan. Kaya hindi siya converting. So check your landing page because the conversion is happening in the landing page and in the email. Sometimes in the messenger. What is wrong when you are not getting engagements? Pag mahina ang engagement, the image is not striking, it's not captivating, headline is not catchy, ad copy not stirring emotions, offer not irresistible. Tandaan nyo yung apat na yan. Kasi pag mahina engagement mo, hindi ka makakakuha ng visitor sa website mo. Wala kang engagement eh. What is wrong when you are getting high ad cost? Okay. Expensive ad. Bakit? There's too much text and image. That is proven. Landing page is somewhat irrelevant to the ad. Yung sinabi ko kanina, na iba yung nasa ad mo, tapos iba pala laman ng landing page mo. Pagkatapos po, wrong targeting. Pag maling hindi siya aligned, tina-target mo, let's say for example, you are targeting schools, no? You're targeting schools, school owners, mga school directress, ganyan. Pero ang tinatarget mo, mga parents ng mga estudyante or mga teachers. So that's wrong targeting. Diba? Halimbawa, ino-offer mo bagong modules, bagong method ng pagtuturo, tapos ang tinatarget mo parents para sa mga anak nila. That's wrong targeting. Pagka wrong targeting, mataas yung ad cost. Kasi hindi mo naman sila audience eh. So wala siya sa bracket mo. Malayo yung laman ng ad mo sa tinatarget mong audience. They are not, it's inside the advertiser bid. May conflict. So mataas po ang ad cost. Now, itong funnel. Mahaba-haba to, pero, I mean, not mahaba. I mean, well, alam niyo naman siguro ang funnel. It's the experience. It's the journey that the customer is going through in order to achieve our target. So first, awareness, and that is the advertisement, social media postings, and all this and all that. Yung mga awareness, yung nag-create ka ng awareness, pinapakilala mo yung produkto mo. And then yung consideration is that when the people reacted to the awareness that you spread out, and that's when you get the leads. Diba? And then, after consideration, may leads ka na, at na-nurture mo sila, na-convince mo sila, and then they will decide. That's when you get sales. And loyalty is that when you keep selling to the same old customers, then you are having loyalty, and these audiences are called hot audiences. Yung mga hot audiences po, yan yung mga continuous. Alam niyo ba kung ano mga may continuous na mga binibili palagi? Let's say toilet paper o patis, toyo, yung paulit-ulit na binibili, mga sabon. Yan, may mga lifetime value yan kasi paulit-ulit. Or let's say for example, nagbenta kang ebook and then later on nagbenta ka ng short course and then later on nagbenta ka ng course. And then later on yung course mo may improve pa, may advance pa. Yan, may lifetime value din po yan. Tinatawag yan ng LTV. Okay? So, yung mga audiences na tina-target mo, hot na yon. Kasi, ano na sila eh, engaged na sila. Na-engaged na sila. Dati mo na silang customers. Now, there are two kinds of funnel. Short funnel and long funnel. Yung short funnel, pag mura lang yung binibenta mo. Pag long funnel, ayan, mahal. Kasi, ang journey sa mga taong binibentahan ng mahal, mahaba. Kasi mahaba ang pangungumbinsi mo dyan, di ba? Let's say, for example, nagbenta ka ng cover ng nag-cover ng cellphone, Nakita lang ni customer yung cellphone, picture lang, okay na siya. Pero nagbebenta ka ng bahay, naku, kukumbinsihin mo yan, papadalan mo yan ng flyers, iti-tripping mo yan, di ba? Mga ganyan. So, it's a long funnel. That's the experience. This is the short funnel for like katulad na sinabi ko, yung cover ng cellphone. Mag-a-ads ka lang, tapos pupunta dun sa landing page, o kaya yung add to cart na, agad, pagkagaling sa ads. So, tapos purchase na. Kasi sa picture pa lang, nakaka-decide na sila. So, yun mga example ng short funnel. Ito naman example ng long funnel. Let's say, for example, course. So, mag-a-ads ka para sa course mo. Pupunta sa landing page. Pagdating sa landing page, mag-opt-in or vice versa. Una yung opt-in, tapos bigla nila makikita yung landing page. Tapos magda-download naman sila. Pupunta yun sa email. Tapos i-email mo sila ng i-email hanggang makumbinsi mo sila. Tapos isi-send mo sila sa sales page. After sa sales page, naka-decide sila, saka lang sila magpo-purchase. Tapos i-deliver mo. So, mahaba. Minsan ito mas mahaba pa. Minsan babalik mo pa sila dito. O kaya ibabalik mo pa sila dito. Iba naman yung magiging segmentation ng email na ipapakita mo. Hanggang makumbinsi mo yan na makarating dito. Normally yan sa mga courses. At saka mga food supplements, agents, ganyan, real estate. Ito naman yung mga funnels na po pwede nyo gamitin through Messenger. May mga ads na idadaan sa Messenger kasi wala kang landing page, halimbawa, no? Or nahihirapan ka makapasa kay Facebook, ito madali ito. Punta sa Messenger, meron dun auto-responder kasi may built-in si Facebook. May auto-responder, and then, at saka mo lang isi-send yung link papunta sa landing page, tsaka lang sila mag-download, then dadaan din dito. Pero pwede namang pagkagaling sa landing page, wala nang download, daan na dito. Kasi nakuha mo na yung opt-in nila. O kaya naman, daan sa message, diretso sa landing page kasi makukuha mo, meron po itong leads capturing, built-in na leads capturing. Napunta na dito, makukuha mo na email address niya. So, email mo na, diretso dito. Pwede namang after ng after ng message, diretso na sa sales page. Kasi nakumbinsi mo na dito pa lang, na-nurture mo na diretso na sa sales page, dito na. Or after ng message, dahil hindi naman mahirap yung inaalok mo, nakumbinsi mo na, wala na sales page, purchase na, and delivery. So that's how you do the funneling sa Messenger. And that is really very good. Ang ganda ng performance nito, na-try ko. Pero of course, it still depends on your ads. Ingatan po natin yung ads natin, add copy, images, and then the way we just structure it. It's not really that difficult pag natutunan nyo. And it's the step-by-step process is very important. Kailangan ladderized. Yung talagang ginagawa mo araw-araw, papunta ka dun sa point na later on makakapaglagay ka na ng official ad na hindi ka kinakabahan. And the best way to do that is when someone is teaching you. Siyempre. Okay, there's too much to say in an hour. If you want to further your knowledge about Facebook advertising, I have 2 products that you can choose from.